Istanbul is a beautiful city of seven hills actually. When you are traveling or when you are roaming around Istanbul, there are a lot of areas where you can see the whole city in one view. There is only two towers that you can always see from every side of the city. Those towers are called skyline, which is like the highest skyscrapers. One of the advices that I give my wealthy investors is invest into something that is in the luxury segment, because luxury is always outstanding. This is what I always tell people, that view has its own worth. If you're buying some real estate, if you're buying some property, view in itself has a different category altogether. So if you're buying something with an amazing view, trust me, try once, start living in something that has an amazing view. Or and also I think that sort of a property, that sort of a investment always is very lucrative. Because people who would want to live a luxury and elite life. And I always tell this to people also, Fatma, that when you're buying something, always see when you're tomorrow going to sell it, what is going to be your target market. And your target market in such projects are going to be the elite 10%, 15, 20% of the population. And that creates a different market altogether, which those people are not concerned about petty issues, petty money, petty problems. They have enough money to buy whatever they want, So one of the advices that I give my wealthy investors sometimes is invest into something that is in the luxury segment, because luxury is always outstanding.
Yes.
We have seen it in different multiple. Never lose the value. Luxury can never lose the value,
Never.
and ultimately it sometimes multiplies extraordinarily. For example, I'll just give you an example to quote this. In Dubai, the first palm that they made was Palm Jumeirah, right? Now people were like, "Oh, this is so expensive."
Yes.
Right? And literally in 3 years, the prices of villas in Palm Jumeirah tripled. Now this was not ordinary, this was out of the box actually, because the whole Dubai was increasing on another level, and this luxury segment was increasing on another level. Now when they have launched Park Jebel Ali, it was sold literally in 10 minutes, because people now understand the reality of wealthy or high-end properties, Exactly. So what do we have in this project? If you can just let us know.
Yes,
Now,
sure.
I think another thing is the Ready project. A lot of people, especially in Turkey, because of course, language barrier, uncertainties, a lot of people, even as investors and even for people who are looking for lifestyle,
Yes.
they are looking for ready properties,
So actually our project for lifestyle, it's a luxury lifestyle. For investment is the greatest choice for this. Because actually the income from the investment is great because of the area, because of the income money from outside, because most of the people are foreigners, so it comes to this area actually different from all the countries. So actually the value of this area is getting high and high with time.
right?
Also, I'd like to tell you that our project here in Scala is the last project to be building in this area because of the forest. Yes, exactly. And patient, the location is great. It's the tallest company. We're near to all the places, to all the things that we have great view, we have great everything around us, the great areas.
I would want to add on this. I think if people have not visited Belgrade Forest, please guys, if you come this the second time to Istanbul, just don't stay in Taksim. Explore Istanbul as a city.
Exactly.
And if you go to Belgrade Forest,
5
trust
minutes
me,
from
you
here.
would love it. You would see, wow,
Exactly.
man, it's such a big
You can do
forest.
barbecue there.
You can do barbecue.
Yeah,
People
whatever you want.
love it. They have a lot of parks there. It's amazing.